All right, guys, we got the skate version of Jumanji, and we're gonna now play this. Jumanji, right? That's what's occurring. So we have this board, Jolly Green's Skateopoly, Braille Skateboarding Edition. Hey Braille, thought you could use this awesome game that I made for you, read the rules, and have fun playing. Please give my skateboard YouTube channel a try by searching for Jolly Green. I do some creative skateboarding for my channel. I am 45, back skating for a little over 2 years, and try to push myself as hard as I can. If you guys saw the live stream, not from the most recent event, but from the event before that, the guy that was playing Lance in the game of Skate is Jolly Green. So he built this game for us, and he sent us some boards before, which is really, really, really awesome. We'll leave the link to his channel in the description below. Jason Simpson, AKA Jolly Green. So Gabe, you read all these rules already, right?
I did.
Look at how intense this is. Look, he has the Braille logo, Skateopoly. Everything is specific to skateboarding. He has this whole section of rules. Explain us the rules.
All right, so from what I can remember, there are all of these tech decks. You guys get to choose the color of tech deck that represents you. It is your avatar.
I want blue.
Green. Green?
Yoshi. You got blue.
Doug, you can go pink. You all have your avatars. So now everyone gets 7 of these Jamba Juice chips. It is the currency of the game. Then the rest of the Jamba Juice chips goes to the bank. You gotta take these out of their clips. So these are chance cards. So once you land on a chance, you can draw a card and you have to do whatever the punishment says or whatever along those lines. There's 2 dice, so you roll the dice. Whatever number you get, you move on the board. And then whatever you land on, if you want to buy the property, let's say you land on backside 180 lane. If you want to buy that property, you have to do a backside 180 first try.
Okay, let's say you land there and you're like, I don't need that property.
You just pass. So once you land on a property and you buy it, if you land the trick first try, then you get to take the property card, and on there is the rent fees. Every time someone lands on your property, they have to pay you a certain amount, or they have to do the trick as well.
Okay, so let's say I land on Varial Flip Way and I land it. So the rent is 3 tokens. So if anybody lands in there, they pay 3 tokens. Oh, I guess it's if they miss it, they pay 3 tokens.
So you have a chance to not pay by landing the trick.
Yeah,
Yes.
so then it says with 1 house, it's a fakie variation. With 2 houses, nollie variation.
But you gotta own all of them.
3
though, right?
houses, switch variation. With 4 houses, complex variation. With hotel, perform it on an obstacle. All right, so let's play this. So who's going first? Me? All right, great.
Hold up, wait, whoa. The rules specifically say the person that goes first will be decided by Rochambeau. You can look at the rule book.
Yeah.
Oh my. Second.
Oh, okay.
First, second, third, fourth.
So we're just gonna play this for a little bit of time until we feel like we've played it for a little bit of time, and then we will choose a winner. 9.
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Frontside shove it road. Let's go. Frontside shove. I'm buying this. I bought me a road! Fetty says that in real Monopoly, you have to go around the board once to be able to buy something, and we're just changing that because we are. So I now am the title deed owner of Frontside Shove It Road.
3.
3. Frontside 180 Ollie Street.
Wow.
I'm gonna buy it.
You're lucky you didn't mess that up.
I know, right?
Yeah,
Look how
these
nice
are,
they look.
they're incredible.
8.
Dang.
Backside shove. Circle. Doesn't say pop shove.
Whoa! Congratulations, my friend. You are a property owner.
Actually, he did a pop shove. It doesn't say pop shove lane. It says shove lane.
So that tarnishes your chances of getting like a home or a...
No, it actually does not, because you can trade properties. If you want to trade, what you do is you decide the person you want to trade with. You both have to land the trick that you guys are trading for first try, and if not, then you have to wait until the next turn.
3.
Oh!
Pay rent, son. Pay
We got
rent.
a problem.
What do I do?
Move your player.
So the rent is 1 token. So you have to do a frontside 180. If you don't land the frontside 180, you owe me 1 token. All right.
Oh! Well done. That you're
5.
playing?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Varial flip way. You know I want me varial flip way. May as well just put this in my section now. The hardest thing is like you're sitting down and then you have to stand up and do a trick.
Oh, wait! Well done.
That's a 3 token rent, so go ahead and land on the V flip, Doug.
I would literally just play
Next.
this with my friends.
Wow.
11. Big money.
Come on, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh! Wow.
That's gonna be my new trick. That felt good.
That was really good. Well,
I get to go again twice, right?
there's something in the rules about when you get doubles. I just forgot it.
You get to go twice again.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Free wax parking curve. Here. 7.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh.
Frontside 360 ollie way.
Whoa.
I'm not the judge. Fetty's the judge.
It's good?
It's good.
Congratulations, Doug.
3 again. Backside.
Backside 180 lane. Get this man some backside 180 property right now. 8.
8. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Chance. Whoa.
Chance. Drop in on a glass board and almost die. Pay a token.
Ha.
Such is my life.
I'm the established banker.
Figured that he got
4.
Hard flip cove.
Oh. Oh! That's your trick too. I know you're mad at that one.
I'm tired.
Section 38. If you go for it and you miss, you lose all your properties. Just kidding.
7.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Frontside heel flip.
Viaduct.
7.
7.
5, 6, 7. Oh.
Heel flip alley. Oh!
Chance
5.
is hurting me. 5.
Oh, that's Doug's.
Oh, I either landed or I give you 4 tokens? I'm gonna be bankrupt.
5. 5. Oh shoot.
360
shove
shove.
trail.
7.
7.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Good luck, Doug.
You get one Jamba Juice token from the bank. What is this?
Ollie Avenue.
7, 8, 9.
Chance.
Advance to go, and you get a token. What?
4, 5, 6, 7.
Here we go
Oh
again.
no.
Frontside heel flip viaduct.
Oh,
I don't
no.
even know what a viaduct is.
It's like when...
Whoa,
10. I got
10.
doubles. 8, 9, 10. Community skate. So I draw my card. You get bitten by a hard rhino. Pay 1 token. Here you go, bank. But I get to go again because I got doubles.
Yep.
Again. 10. Dang. 8, 9, 10. That's actually my property. And I get to collect one of these because I passed go. If I roll double again, I go to curiosities.
Oh,
10.
Still 10.
8, 9, 10.
Heel flip.
All right, let's do it.
That was like the best turn ever.
Oh. Doubles.
8.
6, 7, 8.
It's Aaron's.
Aaron.
Frontside shove road. Come on, Doug. Let's miss this. I need those 2 tokens. I really need them.
Doug is no fun.
Skating math off.
10.
8, 9, 10. Backside flip.
Backside flip pike.
Wow.
I can do that.
Oh,
Whoa.
big money.
Well.
11, 12. Hospital flip power.
Oh wait, you gotta look at it in the rule book real quick.
It's just like any other property. The rent's 1 token, but if you own both utilities, you have to pay 2 tokens if you
I see.
rent on it. Yeah.
So you have to do a hospital flip.
All right.
Wow. That was really close.
DJ, you got doubles.
11.
8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, it's my property. 3 shove, you owe me 3 tokens.
Oh!
Much grass, thank you.
The chances haven't been so chance for me. Take a ride on the late flip line. If unowned, get it. What?
Late flip? Oh my god, you have to do a late flip.
You get a coin.
If unowned, get it. So I have to land a late flip?
Yes.
Yeah.
Or do I just get it for free?
You have to go for it.
All right, boys.
It didn't specify what late flip. You could do anything. Oh!
At least you get to go again and you collected a token.
That's true.
11.
11. 7, 8, 9, 10.
The same spot.
Wow.
The same spot.
Go directly to the security office. Do not pass go. Keep your hands off that token too.
You get out of security office by 1, landing any trick of a property that any player is on. 2 times,
yeah, I
2
like
times in
that.
a row out of 2 tries.
So Ollie Lane.
Number 2, using the get out of security office free card if you have it. Or 3, purchasing the get out of security office free card from another player and playing it. If you do not throw doubles by your third turn, you are released on your own recognizance. Yes.
4.
Doubles. Where am I at? 4. Again. All right. Let's
What
go
is
for
that?
it. Hard flip cove. 10. Right. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, great. Let's try it. Dolphin flip.
Terrible.
Utility.
That was very close.
That was cool. I guess I probably could do that.
7.
5, 6, 7.
Backside 360. You have pretzels in your hand?
Yeah.
5.
3, 4, 5.
Oh, have fun.
Nah.
Dolphin flip.
That was a lot closer than I expected. All right, dude.
You could try a trick twice in a row or roll doubles.
You have to
Backside
land it
360
twice in a
ollie
row.
or a dolphin
Or
flip.
try and roll doubles.
I'm going with the backside 360.
I would say I would.
That was worse than Doug's try.
5. 5.
Community
I
skate.
get these a lot. You did a line for Braille Army. Receive 1 token.
Dude. That's
right.
That's right. You can take one.
Thank you, Bank.
Hey.
12. Doubles.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Ah, broken board. To the bank.
The Bank, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No comply railroad. Go.
Ooh, dude, you got this. And you get a token. I'll get you.
Straight no comply or 180 no comply?
Up for interpretation.
I hate no complies.
The pretzels, Doug, please.
4.
Backside heel.
Look at that down to the 5.
Burn. We'll do one more round of me, and we'll go around the board, and then we'll wrap it up. We'll count our mortgages and our jambas and see who won.
So you can actually get out of jail by doing 2 no complies if you want.
Yeah, I forgot I was in jail. I was like ready to do an actual turn again. Oh, I'm out though. Well, what else can I do?
That's it.
That's
Wait
it.
till your next turn to go anywhere, so.
6.
6. Oh my god.
Inward heel walk.
11.
Tray flip.
Oh, that's all you, man.
8.
8, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What a turn.
Alright.
Is that it?
And Chris wins.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I had 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's
Wow.
21.
I think 18.
What do you got?
21.
What do I have? What? My property? What's my property worth?
3, 4,
2.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Something like that.
I beat PJ, yes! All right, guys, well, thanks a lot for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Skateopoly. We had a lot of fun playing this, and I'm sure we'll play this again. Every time Chris McNugget comes, we'll play it.
Please.
All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below.